Whether you're looking to spend a lot or a little, Hobby Lobby can help you design your dream Christmas mantle. Want to go all out? Create an especially lavish look by wiring together multiple garlands to add dramatic fullness and length. You can also swap out everyday items with accent pieces that enhance the upscale aesthetic. And to make the most of your space, remember to decorate both above and around the mantle. A wreath or seasonal sign is a simple way to make a stunning statement. And when it comes to decorating the hearth, more is definitely more. We brought in an abundance of classic Christmas pieces to take the look over the top. Getting into the holiday spirit doesn't mean you have to break the bank. Instead of getting new wall art, just buy one focal piece. You can pair it with your existing items to set the scene. Here's a budget-friendly tip. DIY your own Christmas decor. We wrapped macrame cording around papier-mâché cones to create these one-step trees. Ready-to-craft items like these wooden nutcrackers are another great way to do a lot for less. You can paint or embellish them, or leave them bare for a natural, neutral aesthetic. If you have shelving around your fireplace, it's a perfect opportunity to expand the look. Dream big and restyle your shelves with statement-making holiday pieces. Or keep it simple by adding little Christmas touches to your everyday decor. Here's an idea for saving on holiday floral arrangements. Don't buy new vases. Just swap out your everyday florals with Christmas picks. Feeling inspired? No matter your holiday budget, Hobby Lobby has everything you need to bring your Christmas mantle to life. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.